Hey, Mr. Wonderful here. You know, I love to document incredible outcomes by American entrepreneurs because that's really what drives the whole country, entrepreneurship. So let me tell you the story of Dronedek if you haven't heard. Now, you know that hundreds of millions of packages are shipped direct by Amazon and lots of other retailers direct to consumers. All kinds of companies want to form direct relationships with their customers. That's a given. And we've gone through this incredible phase of the pandemic where growth has been just stratospheric in all the options of shipping direct. But the problem is, as we get to this massive amount of traffic, so many packages dropped off in front of houses or in apartment lobbies or whatever, they get lost. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, lost? They fall off the back of the truck kind of idea. They get stolen, that's what happens. So Dronedek comes up with this idea. When you look at the packages, about 90% or even more of them are under 5 pounds, perfect for drone delivery. But the problem is the last mile. When the drone drops it off on your doorstep, either the dog eats it or somebody rips it off half the time. Not half the time, but you know what I mean. It's a problem. What if you could do something where the drone could intelligently drop it into basically a post office box, a secure one? The top would open, the drone would land, drop it in, take off, and the box would be waiting for you. Well, welcome to Dronedek. That's what it is. It's one of those situations where you say, why didn't I think of that? Well, Dan O'Toole did think of that and probably was right when he said to himself, I bet you a lot of other people are thinking this. I should get a patent on this. And he did. He beat the US Post Office to that patent. He beat Amazon by just 9 days. This is American entrepreneurship and innovation and a great idea. Now, what's Dronedek worth? Could be billions, you don't know. Imagine, I would love to have one of these. This would be perfect for me, to have a secure location where the drone would drop this thing off. It's a fantastic idea, there's no question about it. So, you know, every once in a while I get to celebrate something like this. It's innovation, it's entrepreneurship, it's a brand new idea, and it's probably worth a fortune, there's no question about it. Because everybody wants their package to be there waiting for them when they get home. How do you do that? Dronedek. Check it out. And by the way, Dan, congratulations. Very cool.